Hey everybody, happy Saturday morning. This is Joel with the Crypto Code. I want to say hi to all of our mastermind members. Hey, just really quick, we launched WaveBot for this a couple weeks ago, and I wanted to point out to everyone, if you would load these up in a demo account, some of the stuff that you're kind of looking at and the advantages to WaveBot 4. Now, WaveBot 3, WaveBot 4, they're both solid strategies. Now, one thing, Bitcoin just did this massive pump. So sometimes when you have a massive pump, you sometimes have a harder time getting your bots to trigger because we're kind of doing a scalping type of a bot here on a 15-minute time frame. So you can temporarily change these to a 5-minute time frame. But the one thing about 5-minute time frames is that when we have a large drawdown, they can really quickly go through a lot of safety orders. So what I do is I just run a bunch of WaveBot 4s on a 15-minute time frame, and when we are having a large pump like we did with Bitcoin, like we did the last couple of days, you could actually just start your bot manually and then go ahead and let that run. So yeah, there's no problem with doing that. But let me show you an example of what I really like about WaveBot 4. And what you really want to pay attention to is the percentages here. So if you take a look at this, here's the WaveBot 4 on ETH on the 15-minute chart. And it did a 4.53%, $27 in profit that I actually have in my account. It took 3 days to do that, and it used $634 of USDT, of $634 to bring me that money. So, you know, we showed this examples of you're sending your surfers out there. The surfer dollar cost averaged down 5 levels and then returned me $27.49. 3 days, I didn't have to do anything. Imagine just having dozens of these surfers running and doing this. Here's BNB, gave me a 2.13% return, $4.31 in 2 days. It did one safety order. Here's XRP, is 3.1%, gave me $6.40. Took that 3 days. It did one safety order, $212 in capital to do that. Here's Bitcoin, 3.31%, $6. Took 3 days for that. Here's Injective Protocol, and that did $11.08, 3.88%, and that used $316 in capital. So this is the exciting thing about XRP, 2.16%. There's a buck right there that took 2 hours. That was on ETH. And then Bitcoin, here's another $1.31. That's 2 hours. Injective Protocol, $4.50 at 2.28%, about 13 hours. Here's ETH again, $5, did about 1.1%, used about $506 in capital. It did four safety orders on that. And then here's another XRP, and then we can go down the line there. 14 hours, $3.04. So the biggest thing to understand is these things add up over time. So if you have 10 of these things running and they're just running, you don't have to babysit these things. You just let them run, and you'll go through times where things are rocking and rolling. They'll have a few days where things are a little slow. But the most important thing about WaveBot 4 is to understand is you can go for these higher percentages. Now, when we do have a slower time in the markets, so sometimes in these months of summer we have these little slow times, you can put these percentages down to a lower percentage. You can put 1%, you could put 1.2%, but I generally on a 15-minute like to try to go for at least 2.2% with a trailing buy, because it can follow that price a little higher. So congratulations, guys. This is one of the strategies, the WaveBot strategy is super solid. This is just how you grow an account without having to babysit things over time. And yeah, we're really excited about that. Actually, hold on, let me pause and show you something here. I wanted to show you WaveBotDex. I think I mentioned that we've been testing WaveBotDex. That is our decentralized trading bot, and it's super exciting. And the results, this is in a demo mode right here, and I reloaded a new one last night, and you're able to go on any decentralized exchange. Well, for right now, PancakeSwap is the first one we're going to do, which is the BNB Smart Chain, and you can go to any token pair and do trading on that. And just for fun last night, I started to go through some of these pairs, because some of these pairs go like crazy in PancakeSwap, and with some of our strategies we're able to catch some really good gains on some of these. So this is just one I just started just a little bit earlier. I started this yesterday. It's done $8 already, but I'm just really starting to load this out. Every time my developers give me a new build, I have to kind of reload everything. But we're still developing this out, guys. It's super promising. I'll give you guys kind of updates as we get closer to this, and then as we get close to the end of summer, we're looking to have an internal beta. But this is something that nobody else has. We're going to have it, and you as a member get access to this, and you'll get access to this for free. I will let our members know that if you're a current member right now, you're grandfathered into the prices for WaveBotDex. When WaveBotDex comes up, we will be dramatically increasing the price of the crypto code. So it's a great time to get involved and stay a member of the crypto code. And this is a great time, guys. We are at these beginnings of probably a bull market here. Now, it doesn't mean we're not going to have dips. We are going to have dips. We're going to have some other great accumulation prices, but we've hit that above 30,000 range, and if we can maintain this, which it does look like we are going to maintain, we are just going to continue up over time and continue up over time. So you're in one of the best places to be in crypto right now. Alrighty, guys, have a great Saturday. We'll see you in the members area. Bye-bye.